This is what 750,000 Canadian dollars in average can get you here in Airdrie. Are you ready for this tour? Come with me. This is a beautiful house located here in Chinook Gate, Airdrie. It's sitting on a 2,235 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom house and 3 baths, okay? It's beautiful. It has some very good extra perks that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Let's go. Okay. Just when you get here, this is very sizable. It's a very sizable foyer. I like the fact that it's a little bit demarcated, just gives it a little bit of structure. So when you walk in, you're going to see a coat room or jacket room. This is huge, guys. Beautiful with the shelving and just enough space to put your boots and your shoes and whatever it is that you put here. And this side of the foyer leads to the garage. I love it. Huge garage. This is a 2-car garage. It's a front garage. Beautiful, is huge. And on this side of the foyer is a powder room. Okay, so this is probably the most sizable powder room I've seen in a long while. It's big enough, it's serving its purpose. It has a visitor's toilet, and here it's just a beautiful powder room. So I love that it is close to the foyer. And then here we have the home office. Okay, you guys know I am very, very keen on having a home office in any home. This is a beautiful space. It is huge enough for a home office, or where you can keep your desk, keep your computer, and for people like me that work from home, this office is perfect. So yeah, this is the home office. And I think that is it about this foyer. So at this side of the house, the foyer leads you to the kitchen and then the living space. So let's go see what the kitchen looks like. The most important thing about this kitchen is that it is spacious, guys. I just love the fact that it is well structured. I love the cabinet color. I've just been in love with black lately and gold. You guys know I love gold, always loved gold. So yeah, there's enough countertop to work with. Beautiful, beautiful place. The cabinet up here is just beautiful. You have enough storage spaces here to put everything that you want, just enough storage space. And then here is the cooktop, which is very unique. I love it. I love, 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 love it. I know that my friend, she will cook up stuff here. And then we have microwave installed. I just love the way this is attached differently. It's a bit different from what we have in my house, and I love it. And then there is a separate stove here where you can just roast your oven, where you can roast all the chickens and all the things that we need to roast. And then we have a large fridge. Love it. There's nothing in there, guys, so we're going to ignore that. And then at this side of the kitchen, we also have like a dishwasher here. Beautiful dishwasher here. Love, 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 love it. And another thing I love about this kitchen, guys, is the fact that it has double sinks. Guys, you can't go wrong with double sinks. You can rinse your plate here and you can just do a lot of things here. And I love the black faucets. Beautiful, very unique. I think this is a new one. Oh, this is where you can put your soap. Beautiful innovation, guys. Beautiful. So yeah, this kitchen just gives me joy. And this is something that I love so much. The fact that you can put all your recycle and garbage on here, just separated from the rest of the house. I don't like the fact that you just get to put your whatever just beside it, somewhere in the kitchen, but I like the fact that this is separated and hidden. Okay, love it. So yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. I feel like it has enough storage. And then there is a secret kitchen I want to show you guys. It's called a butler's kitchen or spice kitchen. This place is beautiful. It's mainly for an African home. We cook up a lot of spicy food, and so this room is very perfect so that you avoid cooking the real food in the main kitchen. Come on in, come on in, come on in. When you come into the spice room, you're going to see here a cabinet or a pantry, something where you put your spices and all of that. And then there is a gas cooker, right? There is cabinets, storage spaces, and I love the fact that they have a sink here too, guys. So you can just cook up that ogbono soup, cook up that spicy jollof rice, have the door locked, open the windows, and nobody in the main house would perceive that or anything. And then there are cabinets here too, storage spaces here. You also have an oven, guys, an oven. So I just love the fact that these guys really thought about, the whole thing altogether. Creating a separate room for spicy food and very heavy cooking is very genius. I feel like it's very thoughtful of them. And yeah, so let's go to the main living area. And this is the main living area, guys. This place is beautiful. It's huge. I love the fireplace. Love, 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 love it. I am seriously looking forward to decorating this place with my friend. She loves interior decor too. So let's of the same feather. She loves interior decor, and we're looking forward to just working together in this space and putting it together and decorating it the way that we love. So here is the dining area. Love the light. And yeah, the dining area will be here, leads to the deck. Love, love, love this deck. So beautiful deck. It's a little bit cold, so we might not go out to see the deck. But yeah, this is really what the living room looks like. And I feel like it is airy, it's beautiful, it's open. I love the whole open concept happening here. So by the time we have all our decor and all our furniture in here, you guys will understand why I'm excited. You will understand why I'm excited. So I think this area leads to the basement, which we'll be looking at later in the video. It's a finished basement, but right now, let's go upstairs and see what's happening upstairs. It's beautiful, it's spacious, there's a window area here. And when you come into this upper area, you're going to meet like a small living space where a very private area where the kids can relax. It's also a family space where mommy and daddy and the kids can just hang out, maybe at night before they go to bed, say a little prayer. Yeah, I feel like this place is really, really big. At this side, we have the laundry room. The laundry room is spacious, it's beautiful. Yeah, I think it's good. You don't need too much space for laundry. There is shelf for all your towels. There is also another storage area on here for all your clothing and all your ironed clothing and all. And we have beautiful washer and dryer right here. Guys, I love the fact that this house is really well structured and arranged. I just love that. And then when you walk into this small passage area, you're going to see the first washroom. And I believe this washroom is for the kids, right? So this washroom is really huge. There is enough space for them to do all of their little things. Here, the bath, the toilet, and all of this. I don't think there's anything much happening here, but I feel like it's large enough, right, for what it's meant for. And right at the other side of the passage, you have the first room. And this is one of the rooms. And to me, guys, this room is sizable enough. I think this room is sizable enough. It's sizable enough. I like the closet, right? I love the closet. I love the fact that it's big. So any of the kids can take this room. Yeah, either of the boys can take this room. Yes, so let's go. And then here is the second room. The thing I love about this room, guys, are these windows. These windows are lovely. I love the fact that they're long and huge. I know that they're going to be covered with blinds and curtains, but yeah, I just love the whole idea. I love the design. I really love it. And I think it's a sizable room also. It has closet, which is sizable. Okay. And yeah, that's basically what this room looks like. One of the other kids would also have this room. And yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm excited. Okay, so this is the third room. Remember, guys, I told you guys this is a 4-bedroom house. So this is the third room on the upper level, just same size as the other rooms. We'll probably make it a visitor's room or one of the kids' room. But yeah, this is what the room looks like. So this is from what I can see here, this is like where the main rooms are before you head to the primary bedroom. Yes, this is a primary bedroom for mommy and daddy. Okay. So this room is beautiful. And guys, I'm going to show you something that I really love about this room. Crazy, crazy, crazy about is the closet. I'll show you. Just keep watching. So this is the room, and I love the fact that it has huge windows, guys. I love, love, love the fact that it has huge windows and it's sizable. It can take a king size bed, which is good. And now I want to show you guys my favorite part of this room, and it is the closet. This place is huge, guys. Like when I got here, I'm like, whoa, my brain was just going around. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? There can be a huge mirror here, huge mirror. You have enough space for your clothing, right? You can do a little bit of decor here. I trust my friend. She's going to set this place up. I'll probably do a decorated house tour. I don't know, but just subscribe, probably, not sure, but let's subscribe, okay? And then we have the washroom for mommy and daddy, okay? I love this area of the washroom. I love the fact that this is black. It's so, so classy and unique. I've just been loving black lately. I've been loving black, and I like the fact that they incorporated black at every part of this house. The door handles, some of the things here. I just love the fact that they incorporated black for those areas. And then here you have the bath, which I love. Beautiful. Love, love, love the faucets. I love it. The fact that it's black, beautiful. I love the his and hers sink. No interruption, no disturbance. His and hers. Love it. So yeah. And another thing I love about this washroom is the fact that it has a separate area for the toilets, right? It's not all, packed together in one place. I just like that demarcation that it gives. I have it in my house and I love it, love it, love it so much. Okay, so that's it for this area of the house. Guys, I think we're fast. We've really just got over it. It's an MC house tour, so we don't have to, do a lot of description and all. But yeah, what do you guys think about this house for that average amount that I talked about in the beginning of the video? What do you guys think? Because with the way housing market is now, I feel like this was a good buy. Although my friend doesn't think so, but I feel like it's a good buy, right? It has basically everything that they want. They have a home office. They have a separate room, like a living room upstairs. And it's a 4-bedroom, and that's not just it. There we have the basement to look at. The basement is about 2-bedroom with 1 bath. I feel like this is a good buy, guys. So let's go see the basement. Let's go see the basement. And then it has the outer door, which I love so much. Love the fact that it has an outer door so they can rent it if they want. They can use it for Airbnb if they want. And yeah, it has that flexibility. So let's go. Okay. So when you come down here at the basement, you're just going to see the mechanical room and the storage. We don't need to get there. So, and you just walking into this room. This is where the basement is. This is the living space, the living room. So if you're going to be renting this basement, you have this huge living room to work with. Not a lot of basements have very spacious area and has enough structured spaces, right? But here it looks like they do. There's a living area here, and I also noticed that you might have a dining area, which you rarely see in the basement. So the other side of the house, this other side, they're still working on it. Don't worry about this. This will be the dining area, guys. This is a beautiful basement, beautiful, beautiful basement, and I see that it's high ceiling, which is a good one because not a lot of basements have high ceiling. There are windows, so it's very airy, very fresh. So when you come to the dining area, that will lead you to another room, right? This should be the first room in the basement. Oh, guys, this room is beautiful, guys. It is spacious and it has a kind of a walk-in closet. What do you guys think? See, I'll convince them to rent this space. I'll convince them. I don't know if it's the plan, but I'll convince them. It has a beautiful walk-in closet, beautiful, sizable, huge ceiling, and wonderful airy windows, right? And here is the washroom around the same area, which for me is sizable enough. There is a bath, beautiful faucet. There is a sink, just enough for whoever wants to live here. And I think this is the washroom. Oh, there is a laundry room, guys. So this is a laundry room. They're going to put the washer and the dryer in here. This is sizable. This is beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. And it looks like there is closet, sort of a storage area happening here. Guys, I really love this basement. I feel like it is well thought through, right? There's enough storage spaces. Most basements that you go to in Canada are always very choked up and small. You can't really do much. Like, it doesn't feel like you're living in a house, but this basement is a complete home for someone who wants to live here. So there is a second room in the basement. Yes, so this room is the closest room to the living room, and it is also sizable. I think it's sizable, with very huge closet, which I really love. Guys, I'm really stunned at how beautiful and how big this house is. It's just not all over the place. It's just well structured. I know I keep saying this word, well structured, but that's the only way I can describe what this house is right now. So yeah, this is the room with windows. So every room has a window. It's not just all choked up. Has a window. It's spacious with high ceiling. And that is always what you want to look out for if you are looking to live in a basement. You just want to make sure that it feels like a home, right? So yeah, basically, guys, this is it. This is it. This is the complete tour of the house. Click on the subscribe button, like the video, comment. If you have questions about this house and what it takes to buy a house in Canada, let me know in the comment section, all right? Thank you so much for watching, and see you all in the next video.